Alright, I'm going to show you how to get the Netflix Party installed on your Google Chrome. Go to Google, we're going to type in Chrome extension. We're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, which will look like this. We're going to type in Netflix Party, and it's this first one. So you're going to hit Add to Chrome. It's going to ask you at the top, Add extension. You'll click on that. It's going to start downloading. We're going to hit Install Netflix Party. And so now it is installed on right up here. You'll see the little NP. So we're going to switch over to Netflix. And you go back up to the NP. You'll click on that. You'll hit Start the Party. You're going to get this URL code. Always just email it to a friend. And then as you can see, there's a chat. And you'll be able to chat real time with your friend. You'll be able to pause it. You can allow them access to pause it as well. And they'll be able to watch whatever you're watching, and you'll be able to chat. And it's a fantastic way to watch Netflix with a friend, or if your significant other is far away, also a really good option. Also, what I like to do with some friends is you can have a Zoom meeting or a like a FaceTime going if you want to like see their face and maybe their reactions. But this is how you use Netflix Party. So thank you for watching.